You need to have a product data foundation from which you can benefit from AI. What is a product data foundation? It's the data stored in your enterprise system. It's the information that's been structured in your enterprise software. It's the information that has access controls in terms of IP security. It's the data that's in your system that has control logic so that when you go through different workflows, there are steps that are required because of compliance, or you know this is a costly event, you need to make sure you get it right. So there's all these embedded capabilities in a product data foundation that gives you lots of value today in your software. And now with AI, we can bolt that on top and amplify that value. So in that story of digital transformation and building your product data foundation, it's really important to make sure that you're maturing your data. So going, for example, in PLM, product lifecycle management, moving from document-centric to part-centric PLM, or advancing that to configuration management and change management, because what you're doing is you're enriching your product data foundation, which enriches the value that the AI can generate for you and your business.